Today we're taking a look at my California edition of Auto World's, I believe it's a 65 Volkswagen Bug. So, anyway, I call this the California edition because I've seen that back in the day, I've seen a couple of these from a distance in California. You know, I don't know the logistics about them, how they did it all or anything like that, but I've seen a real version, two real versions anyway of this. So the first time I built one of these, it was a model kit that I cut up. It's on my channel also. And anyway, when Auto World come out with these, I had several different ones I wanted to build. I built the Herbie, you've seen that one, and a couple other ones that'll be on the channel. You've seen the Golf Fun Haver that I built. So yeah, so I did make my own water slide decals for this. You can see here in the bed I made some wooden slats. That's a water slide decal. It's supposed to be diamond plate back here in the back. You can't really see that well on the camera. I just have an iPad, so some of my videos aren't that great. But anyway, I think it turned out good. We're going to take it for a spin here in a minute. I just wanted to, I got a comment about this grease, so I wanted to clarify a couple things because I don't want to mislead anybody. Number one, this isn't made for a lubricant. It is for corrosion prevention on the bulbs on your vehicles, and that's what I use it for originally. But it does make a good lubricant on your slot cars, and it works great anywhere. Like I said, that instead of putting oil where it could come in contact with your motor, if you put this on there and for any reason it come in contact, it won't hurt it. It doesn't conduct electricity, but it allows electric to be conducted at the point of contact. So if you have this on two different pieces that produce, you know, a current goes through. If it's on both sides and they touch, the current's still going to go through. So it allows it still the current to go, but it doesn't conduct electricity itself. Sorry I didn't explain that very well on my videos, but the gist of it is I use this on all my cars, you know, on the shafts, the pancake motor shafts and all that, just in case, you know, it would, versus using the oil where you take a chance on coming in contact with the motor and screwing it up. This stuff won't mess it up. So anyway, I wanted to clear that up, and I appreciate the comment I got on that. You know, that way, you know, I knew I really didn't explain myself that well. So once again, does not conduct electricity, but it allows current to still flow at the point of contact. So, and it does, it's not made for a lubricant, but it does work great for a lubricant on slot cars. So anyway, like I say, I appreciate that comment I got. I just wanted to clarify that. And let's take the car for a spin. Okay, there you have it, the California edition of the Bug. I think it turned out great. And yeah, I just really enjoy the Auto World pit kits. I wish they'd come out with more of them. Actually, I wish they made all the cars they come out with in a pit kit form. And I think they definitely need to do some semi-pit kits. But anyway, thanks for watching. And please like, subscribe, comment. And like I said before, I answer all my comments. It may be the same day, a couple of days, or a week later. I actually am a hot shot driver, so I'm on call all the time, and sometimes I'm out on the road for 10, 12, 14 hours a day driving. So if I don't get answer your comment right away, don't be offended. I will eventually get to it. And I just appreciate it. And thanks again for the comment about the grease. I really appreciate that, and I hope I cleared that up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.